Good morning, everybody. This is Maria from Maria Fisher Crochet Collection. I have a lot of customers ask me about the mask. They have a lot of questions. I want to answer all these questions. So this is 100% cotton, American cotton. This is not a good yarn. It's when it's winter time, you can wear it and have warm. So this is special for summertime cotton, yes, and made by crochet. So I want to show you two different kind style I make it. It depends the customers ask me for, and I working with you guys to make you happy, and you happy, I'm happy too, 100%. So the first I wanted and show you this beautiful mask I make. The customer asked me if I can add the velcro in the back so easy to remove. Okay, and I do. They have 3 layers: the mask, liner, and the filter. So if you want to wash, I very strongly recommend wash by hand. Another question too from one of my customer: how they can wash the mask when I ruin all decoration. If you notice, I working with decoration, any mask I made it. I know make plain. Thank you God, my customers say, be creative, Maria. I know you are. So they give me to me a free to decorate the mask. So I want you put in the water by hand. All right, if you want to put this off, you can do it. Wash by hand everything. All right, wash, pull the filter off, wash, and put the towel and let it dry. So this is the 3 pieces you have in here. Is the mask for your protection, and you be safe when you're walking around when there's a lot of people gathering. All right, so easy to remove and put back. So this is one of my style, and my customer asked me if I can make like this one. So of course it's cost to little more. This mask is $15 each, but I wanted in the same time I want to show you example. I want to show you this American flag in here I made. This is like packet. I learned it, I saw it, and you have the filter inside. Okay, every mask is lined and have a mask. Some people don't want anything because they hot, especially in South Florida. They are hot, and they ask me not add anything at all. It's enough when the yarn, cotton yarn, and I not add anything. It depends on you. If you feeling comfortable, you use in this way. It's here for you. If you are comfortable and more easy work for you to put off, it's here for you, right? And if you want to use something already made and sew the liner, make a pocket inside with 3 layers, it's easy for you too. So either way, I expect my delivery today at 2 o'clock or 2:30, around 2 or 2:30 for my friend Millie Soberon. Thank you so much. I appreciate it for your order. I'm working with all my heart. I hope everybody's happy and protector with the mask, and we win. All right, thank you so much. I love you. If you have any question, can you feel free to ask me, text me at in the link below, at any comment, and I want to explain to you. Mwah. Thank you. Bye. Happy Father's Day for everybody, every father in the entire world. I love you. Bye.